Hi everyone, this is VRL and today we will learn how to change all the column names at once with Power Query in Power BI. The same procedure we can apply in Power Query in Excel. So we have this table and you see that the cities have this city dot before their names. And we want to get rid of it to remain only with the city name. Unfortunately, we do not have a command here in the ribbon to do this. We have to go and edit manually, but we don't want this. If we would have the data on rows, okay, instead of columns, we could replace values like this, okay? But we have data on columns. Why we don't have this option? Because in Power Query, the column names are not considered data. So you cannot apply this method to change them. But we will use a trick in Power Query and we will solve. We will unpivot first these columns because we want them to be in rows so we can replace. Okay, so how we put them on rows? We go to all the columns. Okay, we select them and unpivot columns. This would be one option, or if we have too many columns, the other option would be to select the other columns that we don't want to unpivot and say unpivot other columns. Okay, we will do like this. So you see now we have them in rows. Now what we can do is replace values, okay, ct dot with nothing. Okay, so now we have the clear name. Now we want to get back. So what we do, we go to transform pivot column, okay, and it asks values column. What is the value when we pivot it? It's not sales rep, it's this value, okay? So we go to value, we pivot it with the value, okay? And now we have back the same table, but with the clean city names. Okay, so the same procedure is in Excel available with Power Query, not only in Power BI. You may ask, but why I should do this in Excel? I could just replace them, because if you use Power Query, you want to make things automatic. Okay, you want to work programmatically, so you don't want to change manually in Excel. You do this in Power Query, and when the table changes or data changes, you just press a refresh. Okay, so no manual work. This is the smart trick to solve this. I hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.